These two workbooks were created by Copilot. Same prompts, same data, but this one uses VLOOKUP, puts report right beside my raw data, and creates chart that I immediately start cleaning up. This one uses XLOOKUP, keeps report separate from my source data, and creates chart much closer to how I actually like it. The interesting part? I didn't change the prompts, I changed the Copilot. Let's start with how Copilot behaves with no guidance at all. Create a summary of revenue by region and add a chart. Click Run. Copilot actually did a pretty good job. But look where everything ended up. Right next to my source data. Personally, I like my raw data clean. Reports belong on report sheets. Source data belongs on source data sheets. If you ever inherited a workbook where charts, reports, calculations, and raw data all mixed together, you know exactly why. Then there's the chart. It has grid lines, outlines, axis titles, all things I would probably remove. These sound minor, but if you're in Excel all day, these little things add up fast. Now, could I fix this with a more detailed prompt? Absolutely. I could add things like put this on a new worksheet and remove unnecessary chart elements. The problem is, I make the correction this time, then tomorrow I make the same correction again. Now let's try a lookup. Add a target margin column to the sales data by matching product category to the reference table. Run Copilot. And there it is, VLOOKUP. Now, before the comments explode, VLOOKUP works perfectly fine. But XLOOKUP is my default lookup formula. So once again, Copilot isn't wrong. It just doesn't know my preferences yet. So right now, I have 3 little annoyances. Reports mixed with source data, generic chart formatting, VLOOKUP instead of XLOOKUP. And I think I can fix all 3 without changing a single prompt. Let's try it. Workbook rules. Think of it like a playbook that gets sent along with every prompt. Before we start, there are just 3 things we need to follow. The sheet must be named exactly period rules. This tab must stay visible, not hidden. And the rules must be listed in column A. Remember, it performs best when the rules are listed 1 per cell. For this workbook, I'm going to add these. Always put reports and analysis on a separate worksheet from the source data. Prefer modern Excel functions whenever possible. Remove unnecessary chart elements such as grid lines, outlines, and X titles unless requested. That's it. 3 rules, 3 annoyances. Now let's see what happens. Same prompt, analysis on a separate tab, clean chart. Same prompt again, XLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP. Exactly how I want it to be. This is the part I really like. The rules travel with the workbook. It doubles as documentation, and if I share this file to a colleague, I share the rules too. He doesn't need to do any separate setup. And this is especially useful because different workbooks often have different standards. But workbook rules have one limitation. They belong to the workbook, not to me. And that raises an interesting question. What if I want these same preferences everywhere, not just inside this file? Or what if I don't want others to see my personal preferences? That's where personalization comes in. I'm going to take the exact same rules and move them into personalization. I'm not changing the instructions, I'm changing where they live. The difference is, these instructions now follow me across workbooks. Not the file, me. So every workbook I open can benefit from the same preferences. Now, I don't want to oversell this. This doesn't suddenly make Copilot perfect. The goal is to stop repeating yourself, and that's a huge improvement. Once you understand this concept, there are lots of other rules you can try. For example, put a totals row at the top of the reports, not the bottom. Do not freeze panes unless instructed to do so. Use blue, gray, and orange as the default chart color palette. Start with the things you find yourself correcting repeatedly. That's where you will get the biggest payoff. If you remember just one thing from this video, remember this. Workbook rules equals this workbook. Personalization equals me. If it's specific to a workbook, a team, or a client, use workbook rules. If it's a preference you want everywhere, put it in personalization. And honestly, many people will probably end up using both. Teach it once and stop fixing the same thing over and over again. Drop your favorite workbook rule in the comments. I'd love to steal a few ideas myself. And if you enjoy practical Excel Copilot tips like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Kiki, and I will see you in the next one.